So following the rejection of multiple ETF proposals, the SEC has promised to review the recently rejected Bitcoin ETF proposals. And this could go either way. This could really instill some more confidence into the market. I do think an ETF is important to have, but I wanted to make this video because we have to remember something. Bitcoin went from zero, or about less than a penny, right, to $20,000 without an ETF. So while I do think an ETF is very important, and I think the SEC is holding crypto back by not allowing a Bitcoin ETF, and I think once we get a Bitcoin ETF, that's the first step. Then we get an Ethereum ETF, then we get another altcoin ETF, then we get a ETF with tons of different altcoins where you automatically diversify yourself. That's the future that I see, and I do think it will happen eventually, but I need to reinforce that an ETF, while it's huge and tons of money will come into the market, it is not necessary for a revival of the next bull market, because markets, cryptocurrency, guys, it's behaving like a market. Like it or not, it's behaving like a market. We have seen 10,000% prices go up, and then we have seen 70% declines or 100% declines, whatever. It's behaving just like a market would behave. Big price increases and then it pulls back. Big price increases and it pulls back. Now, it is a lot more volatile because it's a newer market, but that just means there's more reward. More risk too, but there's more reward involved, and that's why we saw so many instant millionaires be made in the cryptocurrency market. So even though we have seen the SEC be very skeptical about ETFs and different things, different financial tools and instruments regarding crypto, we cannot let everything be pinned on this ETF, because then if the SEC rejects it again, we get FUD, prices crash down. So what we need, guys, let's be eager, let's push the SEC, let's make our case for Bitcoin ETFs, then Ethereum, then whatever other altcoins you want, XRP, whatever, Litecoin, EOS, whatever. Let's make our case for that, but let's not pin everything on that. Let's really focus on more scalability. Let's focus on better dApps. Let's focus on just more usability and crypto adoption and people using crypto to buy things and using decentralized applications. Let's focus on the fundamentals, I should say, and then we'll worry about the ETF. So just as a final piece, guys, yes, I want the ETFs. We all want the ETFs. But remember, we have to focus on the fundamentals, because at the end of the day, the technology, blockchain technology, is what the value is, and that is what is going to make the crypto investor the wealthy investor. So if you enjoyed this short little video, guys, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will see you next time. Peace out.